Be with Christensen Arms. Right now, we are going to shoot a Ridgeline FFT in 6.5 Creedmoor. So this is probably one of our most popular hunting rifles to sell. Ridgeline FFT is available. All your popular calibers that we have out there. Our customers love the color options, they love the shootability, and they love the fact that it's a very lightweight rifle. It is one of the lightest weight hunting rifles that you will find out there in the market. The only way to get lighter is if you go with our titanium version. So,
Awesome. Thank you so much.
yes, sir.
Model 14. See how well we do with it. All right, 400 yards. 6.5 Creedmoor. Go for the furthest to the left. Yeah. I think I can set. Yeah.
Just underneath.
Gotcha. Oh, okay. Awesome. There it is. Left target pause.
Just underneath it.
Wow. Nice. Raised it even. All right. Can we go? I didn't see that one. Yeah, we didn't. Just below. Yeah. It feels like you're dry firing. I know. I mean, it's.
Impact.
Nice.
You shooting the piggy?
Yep.
Okay.
That is really nice. I love this rifle. It is super accurate, super fun, very light recoil as well. 6.5 Creedmoor is
I'm not seeing any dirt. Maybe you hit it.
That's neat.
Give this a try. No.
Thank you.
Oh, eject.
Like it.
Thank you. Oh, that's a great rifle to shoot. The recoil system is actually pretty solid. Great shooting gun. The suppressor obviously helps with the recoil, but wow, these are really, really spectacular. Highly recommended.